Hey guys, back with another video. Today we're talking about why I think there's going to be a pullback, pretty imminently, and which coins I'm looking to buy in the pullback. So let's get into it. So first of all, why is there going to be a pullback? Well, obviously the Bitcoin ETF is, supposedly set to be approved sometime over the next week. I believe the 10th is the deadline. Now, there's basically two outcomes that I can see. One is that it gets approved, which is the majority of people's expectations, or two, that it gets delayed. Now, on both of these catalysts, I think Bitcoin drops and drops significantly. Obviously, if it's approved, I just simply see it as a buy the rumor, sell the news event. And, because everybody already thinks that it's going to be approved. So there's no upside surprise, So, and I don't think money is just going to instantly flow into the ETF overnight. So, even in a best case scenario, I think it'll take a little bit of time before, money flows into the ETFs. So yeah, I think there's going to be more selling pressure than buying pressure after the approval. So yeah, those are my thoughts on why we're going to drop. Now, what coins am I looking to buy? Obviously recently I got into internet computer. I'm definitely going to be looking to add to internet computer. I think it simply has the best tech of any crypto out there. Obviously the downside is, in my opinion, which, the internet computer community is just ferocious. Like, they don't like people flooding their bags, but in my opinion, it's, extremely centralized. There's barely over 100 node operators. So, yes, other projects are centralized depending on how you look at them also. But in my opinion, internet computer is centralized as well. All right, so that's internet computer, simply has the best tech. Number two, I'm going to be looking to add Celestia if it has a significant pullback. Obviously, right now it's near all-time highs. It kind of just keeps going up. But I just feel like this is a must-have for this bull market. Obviously, not financial advice. It's got the triple threat, man. Like, obviously, it's a new narrative, the modular narrative. It's the first modular blockchain, so I think it's the best. If you're into the modular narrative, I think it's your best hold. Not only are you getting that, you're getting all the airdrops, which is insane. It looks like I'm set to get around $2,000 worth of DYM dimension, simply for like staking not even that much Celestia before December 18th. I mean, that's just insane. So the airdrops are crazy. And then on top of all that, you also have the 10% yield that you're getting. You're getting 10% more TIA per year for staking it as well. So, we're still somewhat early in the bull market. I just feel like this is a must-have, to have at least a little bit of TIA staking so you can, qualify for these airdrops. And it's just a monster narrative this cycle. Like I said in my previous video about TIA, I think it's going to perform somewhat similarly to how Solana did last cycle. So extremely bullish on TIA. We'll be looking to add if it dips significantly. Okay, next I'm going to say Hubble Protocol, which is HBB. Hubble Protocol is a basically decentralized stablecoin on Solana. It's a lending protocol. So you put up your assets, whether that's Solana or it could be liquid staked Solana, and you put that up as collateral, and you get USDH, which is the stable coin for Hubble, as a loan, basically. So it's a decentralized stablecoin protocol. Right now it's dipping significantly. Its fully diluted market cap is only $30 million, which is crazy small for, probably the most promising decentralized stablecoin in Solana. But there is a reason why it's dipping. It's had issues defending the peg. They also recently released their plans for basically a revamped Hubble protocol where it has different pegging mechanisms. So obviously there's a lot of uncertainty in the fact that it's been depegging, not crazy depegging, but like it's been hanging out around 92 cents, which obviously isn't very good for a stable coin. And it's not going to build confidence that it's going to be, it's not going to build confidence for it in the long run. And ultimately that's what stable coins need, is they need confidence that they can be stable. So that's kind of bearish for it, but at the valuation of $30 million, I think it's definitely worth a bet. I already had some. I'd actually bought in around the price that it's at now, but I will definitely add now. I think I'm actually going to start adding now. I think 30 million is, I can't pass that up. And it's, current market cap is only around 15 million, I think. So just very small market cap. And like I said, it's the only decentralized stablecoin that I'm aware of, at least, on Solana. So that's Hubble Protocol. Really, those are the main ones on my radar, because all of my other super high conviction cryptos, such as Solana, Solana, that's my biggest position by far. I'm already probably somewhat over allocated to Solana. And then you got Stacks, which if it got back around like $1, then I might consider adding. But I just think it's a bit high, and I already have a pretty nice position in Stacks. I'm trying to think that I don't forget anything. There's actually a few small ones that I'll mention. Dark Protocol on Solana is a privacy project. I don't know a whole lot about it, but it's very small market cap. I think it's like around $20 million market cap. So I have a tiny bit of it, but I'll definitely add. Oh yeah, and also Shadow Network on Solana. I do not have enough Shadow Network. I do want to add some Shadow Network, which is basically a decentralized cloud solution on Solana. And, obviously the ICP community has helped me realize that that is actually a major problem with crypto in general, is that they're all relying on Amazon Web Services, which is obviously a very centralized thing. So those are the main projects I'll be looking to add. I don't think I missed any major ones. So if you liked the video, leave a like, subscribe. See you guys next video.